The first one is balance energy supply and demand. The second one relates to the certainty for countries and their economies. And the third one is the overall saving the planet. The three goals that I would put down actually like for energy storage are the following. The primary goal is to balance energy supply and demand. And this is in the context, of course, like where we're moving towards renewable, intermittent and unpredictable energy sources. So for example, like wind and solar and ocean. I think is that the big drive into storage in the last few years is coming from the fact that we're moving across to renewables. If we could switch on and switch off the wind or the solar, or indeed actually the ocean, there wouldn't be any great need. But because the wind will blow at times in excess, and there will be at times when it doesn't blow. So therefore, in order to balance supply and demand, storage is going to be a major, it's going to be a key element in going forward. So that's the first goal that I would see. And I'll come back to that in a moment. The second goal then is related to national economies. In other words, to provide certainty to countries that their economies can develop and grow in a planned and orderly manner. In other words, having a state, it's crucial actually that the overall economy can rely on that, as indeed, in fact, actually do citizens and inward investment, because security of supply is very important. And the third goal relates, and I know it's been touched on briefly there by Mr. Prakash, it's to enable countries to achieve carbon neutral economies by 2050. So it's part of our overall mitigation of greenhouse gases. So as I said, the first one is balance energy supply and demand. The second one relates to the certainty for countries and their economies. And the third one is the overall saving the planet.